Hi everyone. We are talking about birds and nests and eggs, and I wanted to read to you this book called How and Why Birds Build Nests. How and why birds build nests. We know that there's so many different varieties of birds out there, and different birds make different types of nests. And this book talks about just a few of them to give you an idea of what a bird nest might look like. Birds build nests to make homes for their young. They build many kinds of nests in many different places. This yellow warbler, right here, this yellow warbler is building a nest in a tree. Here her babies will be safe from cats and other animals that might want to eat them. The warbler weaves together soft, silky plant fibers to make her nest. The hummingbird is tiny, and so is its nest. A female hummingbird makes her nest from mosses, spiderwebs, and plants called lichens. The nest is a soft cradle for her eggs. This picture, right here, this picture shows a single egg, which is no bigger than a pea. The hummingbird sits on the eggs to keep them warm until they hatch. Flickers. Flickers nest inside dead trees. They use their beaks to peck away the soft, rotting wood and make a hollow in the trunk. When their eggs hatch, the parent birds bring food to the babies. The young birds stay safe inside the tree until they grow feathers and are big enough to fly. This youngster is almost ready to leave the nest, right here. This youngster right here. A barn swallow, here they are, barn swallows. A barn swallow nest is stacked high in the beams of an old barn. The swallows shape their nests from mud, which hardens as it dries. Once the eggs hatch, the parent swallows are busy all day. They catch insects and bring the insects to the nest to feed their young. Young birds are always hungry. Here they are. Like many birds that live on seacoasts, terns, here's a tern, terns nest on the ground. An Arctic tern has gathered bits of grass to make a place for her eggs among the rocks. The speckled eggs look like little stones. Here they are. So do the fluffy babies that hatch from them. Here are the fluffy babies. Their coloring helps them stay hidden. So we have the eggs and the babies right here, and the adult tern. Atlantic puffins. Here are the Atlantic puffins. Atlantic puffins are ocean birds that nest on rocky coasts. This puffin has found a good place for its nest. There you go, under the rock. The puffin has dug a hole or burrow under a rock. The burrow is lined with grass. The female puffin lays only one egg. Inside the burrow, the puffin and her egg are safe and warm. Here they are together. Kingfishers nest in sandy banks along streams. The parents tunnel into the bank using their beaks and feet to dig. The female lays her eggs at the end of the tunnel. Here's the kingfisher. Young kingfishers are naked and blind when they hatch. When they grow feathers, they look like little adults. Soon they will be ready to leave the nest and go off on their own. So here they are, kingfisher eggs, and then little babies, hatchlings, and then the young kingfisher that might be ready to leave the nest. And that is the end of the book. These are just some of the birds with some of their nests. I hope you enjoyed listening to this book. Until next time.